Hi, well, I'm back. I went to the Dollar Tree again, except this time I didn't go to just one Dollar Tree or two Dollar Trees. I actually went to 3 different Dollar Trees and I found all kinds of fun stuff. Now, you know, a lot of these things I use in our projects, especially our decoupage projects. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino, and you can see all of the fun things I make. Please share, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the little bell for future notifications, okay? Let me show you what I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, we're going to start out with this massive amount of signs that I picked up, and we'll start with this welcome, which is a nice sign, has a nice long back. We can definitely do something with that. I really like the back of the truck, and again, I can turn this over and envision other things that we can do with that. Now this, I love this. You can stick this in the ground. I'm going to put that by my back door in one of my flower beds. I'm not even going to do anything with that. The same thing with this one, Carriage Patch. I really like it, and I can always do something on the back for another season, like for summer. And let me see. Oh, then there was 2 other trucks. One with the fresh flowers. That's for now. That's for spring into early summer. But then they had another one. This one has watermelon in it. That's more of a summer fruit. I really liked both those trucks. They're very cute. I also picked up 2 more of these, 2 more of the bunnies and 2 more of the eggs. I just did a video, one of the bunny and one of the eggs. Take a look, it's really cute. I think you'll really like them. I use the iron-on method, so check out my YouTube channel. And this I really like too. It's cute, and I think, again, I can change the back for another season. I also got a couple more packs of little ornaments, the little wood ornaments. They are also in my video with the big egg. Okay, my next bag has some florals in it. They have some things I've never seen before, like these greenery, and I'm going to put them here in this jar. This is a jar. I just decoupaged it. I have a new video on decoupaging a jar. So we're going to put the leaves in there. Then I also found some florals, and I really like these. I've never seen these there. They're really, really nice. They have all kinds of little things on them. This one I loved. I was only able to find one. I wish that they had more. I'm just going to keep on checking. I really, really like it. Okay, let's move on to my next batch. I'm going to start with this basket. It's such a nice basket. Their baskets are getting better too, and I have a really cute project for that. And hello, I could not believe I found this little guy sitting on a shelf all by himself, just the one, so I had to get him because he's just so cute. Let's see what else. Oh, candy. I went into the candy aisle and I got all these different kinds of candies that they had. They even had Tootsie Fruit Chews. Those are always really yummy. And they had pretzel eggs, which is actually one of my favorites. I was really surprised when I saw it there. I'm going to stuff it in that basket. These are my favorite, the Stofer coconut eggs. And so that bag is empty, of course, because I ate them. Okay. These my sister found in the Dollar General, I believe. They're really pretty for spring. We could do something with those. This, I never saw these before. These are actually similar to the pink ones, but they're not painted. Like those I had to paint them. And when I painted them, I was able to do these. I was able to decoupage them, but it was kind of a pain to paint them. So now I don't have to because they're all ready for me to decorate and decoupage. And we'll put those back there, and we'll tuck these little bunnies right in there. Okay, this I was very happy to find, this crinkle filler. It wasn't the grass. This is something that I really wanted instead of the grass. And carrots, these are candy carrots. They look really cute in the basket, and one of my newest projects that I did. And let me see. These are very interesting. They are like fuzzy. They are, let me see. Oh, they're moss bunnies. Really cute. We can do something with those. And let me see. These are regular Decor carrots. They're like those, but you can't eat them. And let me see what else I have. Oh, some more moss bunnies. Okay. So now I've gotten some Easter eggs. These are just small ones, and they're glittered, but I painted them last year, and they came out really, really cute. Of course, you could leave them like that too. These my sister found. I'm not sure where she got them. It's a pretty big pack of napkins and paper plates. So I always have Easter breakfast at my house, so I'm pretty sure that's why she picked them up, but they're really, really cute. Okay, I know I have more stuff. Okay, now I have the eggs. I bought these because I wasn't sure I was going to be able to buy the white ones that I was looking for, because I know that I can paint those. I also got these. They're clear, and you could put something inside or maybe do a reverse decoupage. I don't know, but I had to get them. I have to figure out something I can do with them. These I love. These are really nice for $1. The Dollar Tree really hits it out of the park with that one. It's really nice. Now these are glittery eggs, and I thought, what if we painted these green? Would they look the same as these little moss bunnies? I think it's worth a shot. For $1, why not? Okay, I'm gonna catch my breath and tell you a little bit about Mod Podge in case you don't know what it is. Mod Podge is a decoupage glue. This is a bunny. I got it from the Dollar Tree. That's one of my latest videos, by the way. I used the Mod Podge to adhere that napkin, that buffalo plaid, with the Mod Podge. That's really, really cute. Okay, this is a plain tin can. I took it out of recycle and I decoupaged with this beautiful napkin. Look how nice that is. I did that with the Mod Podge and the napkin. Okay, so here's the one I did, the jar. That, of course, is one of my newer videos, too, with the jar, and I did it for beginners, so definitely check that out. These are eggs. I got them at the Dollar Tree, and I painted them. Here's the napkin that I used, and I actually used a scrap piece on that. So here's some bunnies. I did them on coasters. So there's the one with the blue background, and this is the cute little brown bunny, and this is what I used. Those are MDF coasters I got from the Dollar Tree. Look at the things you could make with napkins and Mod Podge. One more thing I had to show you. This is actually a yogurt container that I decoupaged using Mod Podge, and I put a couple coats of chalk paint on first. There is the rabbit napkin I used. That's from Vippies Designs. Here's another one, little carrot napkins. These are bookmarks, and I have lots of projects on my YouTube channel. A lot of them are for beginners. Check it out, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Okay, back onto the haul. So these are some moss sheets that I bought. I'm actually in the middle of a project and I ran out and I needed 3, and I was very happy that when I got there they did have 3. Well, actually they had more, but I only took 3. This is Reindeer Moss. If you've ever needed to use moss, this is so easy to work with. I love it. So I always try to have at least a few packs on hand. Okay. Now, here's something else I found. I've never seen these before. And here, I had to wrap it up because it could break. And look at it. I guess it's some kind of a candle holder, and it's made of china or ceramic. Oh, I really like it. We're gonna do something with that. Ta-da, there's my Mod Podge. Okay, here's one more thing I found, and actually they have 2 different kinds, and I was really glad I found this. It's a sugar shaker, but it has holes in it, which means you could put flowers in it. How cute would that be? It's not my idea, but I wanted to. Okay, I'm down to my very last bag, so let me show you what I got. I picked up these dice. One of my viewers said you can make things with these, so okay, I'll look and see what they're doing on Pinterest, and I'll do a project with those. I got one of these rakes, and I do have a project for it, but I have to tell you, I really need one in the garden, so I don't know if I'm going to be making a project with them. And what are these? I have never seen wooden spoons or spatulas in the Dollar Tree, so I did grab 2 of each. You know, we could decoupage with those. I also got some more popsicle sticks. These were a little bit bigger. I like to use them to stir paint. These are little detailing scissors, and I leave these all over the place, so I always try to have some extras when I go. And look at all this stuff. What an incredible haul I got. I'm all done with my haul. Look at all the things I got from 3 different Dollar Trees. It was such a fun day. I like to take these things I find at the Dollar Tree, combine them with other things, and come up with fun projects for my YouTube channel, Decoupage D.I.Y. with Joan-Marie Domino. Please subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up and share, and don't forget to hit that little bell down there for future notifications, because I've got lots more videos coming up, and I'm going to be using Mod Podge. I also have a group page. My group page goes right along with my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.